Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to utilize autofill for Excel. So, let's say you want to type in the months of the year and you want to do it really quickly. All you have to do is type in Jan and hover over this green square right here and then click on it and then just go down. And as you can see, it's filling them up. There you go. You filled up the months of the year. Now you want to do the days of the week. So you type in Monday, and then you hover over this green square, you click on it, and then you scroll down, and there you go. Also, if you actually want to fill in your own auto fill, if you want to create your own autofill, you can actually go up to Excel, click on Preferences, and then go to Custom List right here. And this actually shows you the ones that come with Excel. You can actually type in your own list right here. So if you're a manager at a restaurant and you're doing payroll, you can actually type in all of the employees' names here. And when you type in the first name, you can do the same thing that I did here. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.